Hi, I'm Philip Thomas, your fellow winemaker. Just want to take a moment to show you how to use the Buon Vino wine filter. The Buon Vino wine filter. This will help polish your wine and also help improve the clarity. Dissolve 3 tablespoons of potassium metabisulfite in 1 gallon of warm water. Clean, rinse, and sanitize all parts of the filtration machine. There are 3 pads. Pad number 1, we're going to use that today to help filter out elderberry wine. Pad number 2 can be used for red wines and also kits. Number 3, white wine. Soak in cool water to soften the pads. Make sure you take the coarse side and have that facing outward. Tighten evenly on both sides to prevent leakage. Your end hose transport the wine to the filtration machine. Your drip hose drips wine that was excess from the pads down to the drip bucket. And your out hose transport the filtered wine into the clean carboy. Now right before we start filtering the wine, I need to filter 1 gallon of water over to this empty carboy. That's going to help decrease the chances of having dust on the filtration pads prior to filtering wine, which is a no-no. Ensure the out hose has been flushed completely of water before placing the hose into the clean carboy. Press down on the drip hose to help relieve the filtration system of drippage that came from the outside of the filtration pads. Adjust the end hose above the sediment as needed. We're done. Thanks for watching.